This is a 2018 Camry. Today we're going to replace the cam filter, and this is the part number for it. And it should look like this. And make sure the cam filter show that it's going up. So there's a piece of cover here that you're going to take out. Then also there's one more cover here, but this one just came off. And oh, there's a mouse nest in here. Oh yeah, it is. You see this 2 dead mouse or 3 dead mouse in there. See it? There's one there, and maybe that one too. So I say, you can see them been chewing on stuff. So make sure you check the cam filter and replace it. If you look inside, you can see that there's a nest in there. See it? So we need to take that out. I'm going to use a needle nose plier. You just take them out. Okay, and now it looks like it's clean. And put the back in. Make sure you put it in right. If you don't put it in right, you cannot put the cover back in. You have to fit in perfect. And this one facing up. Close it. And close this. And that's it.